Welcome to another reality content. Yes, I call it reality content because here we teach something that is real, things that are real. We don't sugarcoat things. We don't tell you to make $30,000 in a month without it not being practical. So here we focus on practical things that are obtainable on Amazon KDP when it comes to self-publishing section. All right. So here we are going to discuss about succeeding on Amazon KDP with skills. Yes, for you to succeed on Amazon KDP, you need skills. Take it from me. Nobody has ever succeeded on Amazon KDP without any good skills in that area he majors in publishing. Nobody has ever succeeded. All right. So I've seen a lot of videos telling you to make $2,000 in 2 days, $3,000 in 5 days, and the rest of them without telling you the real thing. Some of these videos are not real. There are a lot of fake people on YouTube. They'll just be bringing out number because they know that you want to hear number without giving you solution. All right. The practical aspect, what you need to do. Okay. And as a person who have been on Amazon KDP for years now, starting from the era of free space to Amazon KDP, I have done over $40,000. All right, so far I have done over that. But these things did not come easy. Yes, this money did not come easy. And that's what I want to sensitize you on today. You need skills to succeed on Amazon KDP. Yes. Let me start with the skills that concerns the book you are writing. All right. Take for example, as a person, I want to write a book on electronic repair, electronic devices repair. All right. In a situation like this, I may need to get to a professional that is into repair of electronic devices, just like television, computers, radio sets. All right, and the rest, anything electronics, air condition. Okay, now when I get there, I will pay him. Sir, I want to learn this, can you be my tutor? There are things you learn online, there are things you need to be there physically. That's the truth. Then he will teach you. Maybe his area there is just on how to repair television. You have learned it from him maybe for 6 months. You have the idea of what that is talking about. All right. So then you leave him, you have paid him, you have gained that skill, and go to somebody that specializes in repair of computers. You just strike a deal with him, and he teaches you how to repair what computers. All right. You gain that skill. I getting it? Then you still leave that person. Maybe after some time of learning, and you're okay. Now I can repair computer. I know how to fix computer. I know how to troubleshoot in computer. I know about computer parts, what you need to do, how to fix your keyboard if it's having issue. You have not become an experienced person, a skilled person in that area of interest. All right. Then maybe you leave there and get to somebody that is into air conditioner. All right. So he teaches you what you need to know about air condition, how air condition works, and how to fix any issue that has to do with air condition. Now you have gained the skill as well. So in all these skill sets, you have learned them practically, and you can publish books on them. You may have a book that talks about how to repair a television. Another book has to do with understanding computer and how to troubleshoot in computer. Then another book on air conditioner, how air conditioning work and troubleshooting and fixing issues. I get what I'm saying. So in this situation, you are now a professional in that area. By the time you write about that over and over again and still learn some things online because now you have had a physical encounter, physical experience. Why would that book not sell? That is the skill there. But you see a young boy of 15 years or 20 years, okay, 15 years or 14 years, he wants to make money on Amazon KDP. What do you have to offer? What skills do you have to offer? Let's be honest ourselves. What skills do you have to offer before you can make that money? People are looking for solutions to their problems when they buy books. They are not just there for them to study how your mom wiped you, or maybe how your mom gave you money to go and buy sweet, and you came back and the sweet was not sweet. Come on, babe. Come on, bro. That's not what they want to hear. All right. So they want to learn something of value. So you need skill. Okay. Okay, let's talk about another type of skill, soft skill. All right, soft skill. Maybe you're into writing of software books. All right, or some books that has to do with something that may not need your presence physically to learn. For example, as a content creator on YouTube, I've been here for 2 years plus, right? Yeah. So I know some things about YouTube now. I can start writing a book on how to, how to succeed on YouTube. All right, or YouTube education for beginners. If I create a book of this type, I will sell, because now I have learned a lot of things by creating content on YouTube. I can tell the audience that want to learn about YouTube, this is what works there, this is how to succeed. When your content is not doing well, maybe after working on that or after creating videos on that for maybe 2 months or 3 months, okay, let's say 6 months, you can switch another type of content. Let's skill in that particular type of content that is doing well. Enjoy the trend and you will make money. You see that? I have gained skill and knowledge on this area of interest. So stop complaining that you publish a low content book and it's not selling. One low content book is so competitive right now. So do something of high content that has less competition. All right, this is an information I'm giving you right now that will make you more money. Okay, so I saw somebody some time ago. I think it was about 3 weeks ago, complaining that she did books, created some books on Amazon KDP, about 10 books in 6 months. No sell. Yes, because you don't have the skills that people want to purchase. That's the reality. Amazon KDP is beyond just going there and writing what you feel like writing. One, you have to get a skill. All right. Do your keyword research before you come out and then publish that. All right. Start writing about that. So if it's something people want to know, it's something people want to learn, then you will make money. This is the problem people have. They will tell you Amazon KDP is not working. It's working for me. It's still working. I did about $700 last month. So it's working. All right. The only thing is that you have not understood that you need skills to make this thing happen. You need to be a professional in certain areas. If you're into dish, then about cookbooks, all right, that people want to read. If you're into software, teach people about some software skill that will make them gain more knowledge in life and become more productive. If you're into welding, some people that use electrode to join metals together, talk to them about different types of welding that they can do and how to succeed in all those areas. That's what people are looking for on Amazon. People are not just there for kids book or maybe children book. They're not there for a lot of children book on Amazon now. So you'll be competing with a lot of people. So think about that skill. Target specific group of people and create your content around there, and you will make money. All right, that is how it is. Then let's talk about another type of skill you need. Yes, we need skills when it comes to book formatting, formatting your manuscript in Microsoft Word. I've seen a lot of reviews when people bought some book, they came down to this comments to the review section and said that this book is not properly edited. Some say that there is no index. All these things are important. So learn the skills on how to format your book. Index should be in your book, depending on type of book you are writing. So learn how to create index, learn how to create table of contents, learn how to number your pages professionally. These things will make the people see your book as a professional product. Though we know that there are people that are difficult to satisfy. I've seen a lot of them. Others will be saying something good about that particular book. He's only seeing negative because he doesn't want to see something positive in that book. All right, I've seen a lot of them. So learn skills on how to format your book very well. All right, in a way that when people buy it, they will be happy about the product. So, this is my message for you as an expert in this field. You need skills to succeed. If you're a young man coming up, don't be in a rush. Learn some skills. If you cannot go physically, then learn some soft skills. So learn some things that are easy to learn online on YouTube. Watch some videos and create your book. All right. So that's my message for you today. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Here we dish a lot of reality truths about self-publishing that will make you to excel in that platform. Okay. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. All right. Let me hear what you have to say about this video. If you're having issue with your one-time password, that is logging into your account, maybe in the profile section, all right, of your Amazon KDP account, watch this video here to learn how to resolve the issue. Thank you and see you some other time.